purpose of this video is to demonstrate APM restoration tool, covering identification of the correct version, how to obtain it, and also its operation. This tool is normally used to troubleshoot an APM miscompare cache message and also to restore system operation when an APM hardware or MRC cabinet is replaced. The demonstration will be on an Embraer E2 system, but its operation is very similar on E1 systems. In order to identify the correct version of the tool, it's necessary to access the Honeywell Aerospace portal. Then select Support and then TechPubs. Perform the login, and once you are on the TechPubs portion, do a search for Tools. On the listed publications, identify the software tool platform SIL, where it's mentioned the airplane you are working, in our case E2. Select View Publication. On the SIL, identify the part number of the software tool chipset applicable to the load installed in the airplane. In our case, load 7.0. Copy the part number. Then, still in the portal, go to Software and Data. And then Software and Database Services. Once you access, select Honeywell Forge Electronic Library, and then perform a search by the part number of the tool chipset you copied. Once you identify the tool chipset, perform the download and then the installation on the laptop that is normally used to load software in the airplane. For our demonstration, accessing CMC, we can confirm that APM miscompare is triggered, and this is being pointed by the configuration monitor systems 1 and 2. On the laptop connected to the airplane, select Start, All Programs, Honeywell, and then select APM Restoration Tool. Once the tool opens, confirm that you are using the correct version according to the software tool SIL. Then click on Start Restoration Sequence. The tool will start to retrieve the key information from the 4 APMs installed in the airplane. At this time, do not worry with the cockpit effects. Once the timing nicks are put in download mode, the system will have no clock and no system will be operational. Once the contents of the 4 APMs are displayed, you can select one of them to be used as a reference. The selected one will be highlighted in green. The part or the content that is different and in its respective APM will be pointed in red, allowing you to identify which is the APM and which is the file that is causing the problem, once this information is not identifiable through CMC. In order to solve the problem and perform the APM correction, select Perform APM Update. This will allow a copy from the marked APM identified in green to the others using the resources contained in the airplane. You don't need the software, the operational software, or the APM options, or the original file for the APM settings. You don't need to have this in hands. A tip here is select the destination, only the one that you know that has the problem. In our case, the one identified with IP address 192.168.34.1, and then select Yes, Load APMs. Once the load operation is complete, the tool will ask if you want to repeat the APM's verification. Select Yes, and then the tool will retrieve again the main information on all 4 APMs. Once the contents are displayed, select again one as reference. It will be highlighted in green, and then it can be noticed that there is nothing marked in red, meaning that now all 4 APMs have the same contents. In order to restore system operation in the airplane and also confirm that the problem was solved, cycle power to the airplane. Once the airplane power-up is completed, access CMC and then confirm that APM miscompare is not shown anymore and that the problem was solved. This demonstrates a successful use of the APM restoration tool to troubleshooting and solve an aircraft problem.